Welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday, and you saw the thumbnail. We are doing calzones. Not any calzone, pepperoni calzones. We doing it my way, the way we do it here in the kitchen. You guys know I make awesome pieces. My kids love my pieces. So, right here, Michael. I have a bowl of dough. If you don't know, I have a video for homemade pepperoni pizza. I'm going to put the link in there below so you guys can see how I make my dough. Now, for this calzone, you're going to need some ricotta cheese. This is traditionally in calzone, so you're going to need ricotta cheese. You're going to need a whole, don't skim on it, the whole milk ricotta cheese. You're going to need some pepperonis. Because I'm making pepperonis, you're going to need pepperonis, but you can do chicken, sausage. You can mix it with ham, pepperonis, bacon, vegetables. Any way you want to do it, but we're doing pepperonis. And you need some mozzarella cheese. You need some cornmeal. And I'll tell you why in a minute when we put it together. And you're going to need 1 egg with a teaspoon of water, lightly beating. Okay, beat it or whatever. Beat it. It's beat it. Yeah. Okay. I floured my surface. I pulled off a piece of dough. Basically, you don't even need the rolling pin, because I'm just going to use my hand and just spread it out. Okay, you don't even need the rolling pin, guys. It's this simple, easy. Do your dough, just spread it out with your hands, okay? That's all. It's gonna be a quick video, easy. Take your ricotta cheese. Ooh, it looks like jelly. I just stirred it up. And you want to like almost center your filling. Just a little to the center. The ricotta cheese go down first, guys, okay? And you can mash it. So I got my ricotta cheese. I'm going in with my mozzarella. Look at that. That mozzarella cheese in the middle. You want to put your oven on 500, between 450 and 500. It's going up for 15 minutes. Now, with my stove, because for some reason I use 500, my smoke detector started going off. I don't know why. So, I'm going to use 450 today for 15 minutes in the oven. But you guys, if your oven can take 500, because you want to get your oven as hot as they do in a pizzeria to get a nice calzone, okay? Okay, back down here, Michael. I got my ricotta cheese. I got my mozzarella cheese. And again, whatever meat you want.
Anything you want.
Anything you want. This is your calzone. This is your kitchen. Make it your way.
Yeah, that's the best thing about calzone.
Yeah, you can do a plain cheese calzone. Ooh, that's a thick one. But I'm going to make this really meaty. I'm just picking it up. I think this is about enough right here.
Said meaty.
Yeah. And I'm going to pull. And I'm going to... Ooh, my dough might be a little bit too thin. I might have rolled my dough too thin. That's okay. That pot can get flipped over anyway. I'm going to pull over to the edge. Don't do what I did. I rolled my dough just a little bit too thin with my hands like that. I'm still going to make it.
And still going to get eaten.
Michael says to me. Okay. So, just to the edge, just like that. Because what you're going to do with that flip, that over flip, is that you're going to do like this. You're going to over flip it, press it down. Over flip it, press it down. Over flip it, press it down.
I'm trying to interrupt you, but this is a case for the people who never had calzone. Tell them why there's no sauce in it.
Oh, because you're going to dip it in your marinara sauce.
Yeah.
Over flip, press it down. Over flip it, press it down. I'm going to over flip it. Nice and tight, people. Oh, pretty way. That's my calzone. And guess what? Since the holes out there, I don't have to put the slits in it because you have to put slits in it to release the air and the moisture. Guess what? I ain't got to do that because I already got the automatic holes. So, going to take my beaten egg just to get it that golden brown that we're looking for. But again, remember, don't roll it too thin. I rolled it too thin with my hands. But guess what? I don't got to put my hose there to release that steam now.
Okay, you got some little holes on the side at the bottom too, so you good.
Yeah, so I'm good. Now, this is where the cornmeal come in. Just so your calzone don't stick, just take a little bit of cornmeal. I don't have a coarse cornmeal. I wish I did. I'm going to place this back over here. And this is the hard part. You may have to have spatulas or 2 spatulas or something to lift that calzone up off the surface. I think this is good. Ooh. Hand me that. This is the hard part, people. Did I mess my calzone up? Lifting it up? I don't know.
I don't know.
But guess what? It's going in the oven, in my oven, on 450 for 15 minutes, and we be right back. Okay, guys. Since my dough was too thin, and I had all the slits, it's a good edible calzone. My kids gonna eat it. I'm about to get it SoulfulT now, but I made another one. This is how it should look, how it should come out. And then, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells good. Slit, do some holes for air pockets. Like that. Look at that, buddy. Then, we're gonna place it back on this sheet with the cornmeal. And put this one, it looks way prettier, in the oven on my 450. Ooh, the pickup is real, guys. On my 450 for 15 minutes. And we're going to come back. Look at the one that's going to look great. But this one is still edible. No food going to waste in my house. And we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So you saw my first attempt. My son got that calzone and gone. I told you no food go to waste in here. But guess what? This is what we're looking for here, people. This is what you're looking for. Look how golden crust, that pretty crust. But I'm about to make it. I'm about to cheat on my parsley flakes, yes, because I got Italian seasoned garlic and butter all melted up. As soon as this thing come out the oven, you guys, just hit it with a little bit of this.
Oh, yeah.
Just hit it with a little bit of this.
You get calzone for breakfast.
Because I want to get my video of the day Tuesday. I was running around yesterday. I couldn't do my monthly video, but it is coming. Just hit it with a little bit of that. We're going to let this rest. Don't cut in it for a good 10 minutes before when you cut it, because you want it to solid up in the inside. So when you cut in it and you begin to dip it. So I'm going to let this rest for 10 minutes. We're going to come back and end this video. You guys are going to love the inside. Okay, we back. We're going to cut into it. Your favorite marinara sauce, your favorite calzone recipe. Look up. I hope it be mine. Okay, so we're going to move the marinara sauce to the side, and we'll let you see what it looks like in the inside. My son Michael said, I got to eat that. I don't want you to cut it. I said, my people got to see the inside.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. That
nice.
says cheese. And look at this side. The pepperonis coming up out of there.
Yeah.
Guys. So, follow this recipe. Remember, don't make the crust too thin. I made it too thin. Whew. Make sure everything is in the middle so you have a great fold. If you can use 500 in your oven, use it. The cornmeal, put it on the bottom of the tray. Oh, so look at the bottom of this. So you guys know it came out perfect. Not burnt or anything. So yeah, 450, I did 17 minutes. Look at this. 450, 17 minutes, depending on your oven. If you got a high oven, 450, 15 minutes. 500, most definitely 15 minutes. Until my next video, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, y'all. I'm gonna go eat.
Yeah, Michael about to go eat. We out. So, this is it. I think I'm gonna plate something for you guys. You guys can actually see what this meal is gonna look like. Then